So Larry, let me start with you. What trends do you see impacting the storage market?
Okay. Good question. So you really can't start talking about trends in the storage market without first acknowledging the exponential growth of data. Many are already familiar with the industry analyst firm IDC's most recent prediction of 175 zettabytes by the year 2025. That's 10 times the amount of information that exists today. Much of this information is going to be created by businesses, and businesses are going to need to make strategic decisions about how they store, how they manage, and how they utilize this massive amount of new information. So I think three trends come to mind. So the first of those is software-defined storage. The growth of software-defined storage is driven by the sticker shock, if you will, that results when an IT organization attempts to utilize the traditional storage they've been using for years to store this exponential data. And software-defined storage is built on industry standard hardware, and as a result of that, it fundamentally changes the cost of your storage solution. And you can deploy software-defined storage on-premise, you can deploy it using public cloud storage, or you can deploy it with a combination of the two. So that would be the first trend, would be software-defined storage. The second trend I would identify is the emergence of converged or hyper-converged architectures. So these systems attempt to address the challenges faced with an IT organization through the silos that sometimes form around compute or storage or networking. And what they do is they use a cluster of industry standard servers and they reallocate the resources to either increase compute workload or networking bandwidth or even storage processing, depending upon the application or the use case that's executing at that time. And the third trend I would identify is called AI Ops. AI Ops brings the intelligence of machine learning or artificial intelligence and applies it to the challenges faced by an IT organization. So if I'm deploying a massive system into the tens of petabytes, I need a system that's far more autonomous, far more intelligent than what I have today to enable me to manage that capacity without significantly increasing my human capital. So those would be the three trends I would identify, Mike.
Great, thank you, Larry. Wow, 175 zettabytes. How much data really is that?